Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's find out what is in the bag. Well, we have a cross stitch and a little bag. Let me get rid of the stuff. Now this comes from DiamondArtDecor. If they have any specials, I will put them here, or any discounts of mine or anything they've got going on. It'll be right here and in the description box below. So let's get started. So the first thing that I have, we don't need to keep that bag. Now I know I had one of these, but for, I cannot for the life of me find it. So it's one of those three-way needle threaders, and it does have a cutter on the end. So I'll be leaving this right up here on my desk, but they're very nicely made, and this one is meant for smaller needles. And then you have a little bit bigger and then a little bit smaller besides that one. Sorry about that. Didn't know that was going to happen. But they are $2.89 and they come in pink and blue, I believe. So I don't know where my blue one is at, but now we have another one. Yay! And we have a cross stitch kit. Turn it around the right way. Let me get this out of the crinkly bag. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Now, I'm going to put a picture of this right here since this is kind of crinkled up. The picture itself isn't, it's just the edges. But is that not beautiful? It just had so many pretty colors, and I just fell in love with it. Now, it is a 50 by 65, and it was $16.79. And it comes on a nice, great big paper pattern, which it's all crinkled. I think the mailman just kind of shoved that in the box. I don't know what to tell you. Now, it does have a little bit of smudging right here, but it doesn't bother the numbers. And I'm not seeing any smudging on the actual pattern or anything. Let me turn it over. It does have instructions while I'm looking here on how to start and how to finish. But I'm not seeing any smears there. Just that one little blotch. No big deal. It is 190 by 255. 255 up and down, and 190 stitches across. Now it looks a little bit confettied here and there. It does have some bigger areas, but very nice, very clear pattern. Let me flip it over here so you can see just little bits of confetti. So that's not going to be too bad. Very nice. It does have 38 colors. We have 310 black, 498, which is a brick red. We have 550 purple, my favorite, and 666 red, 823, and no 939. I was looking ahead, sorry. 823, which is a dark navy. It does have that 996, which is that beautiful turquoise color. No 3371. And it does have 3865 for their white. So I'm not, that might be interspersed. Oh, I see there's some up here in the moon, or like the circle around the moon. But yeah, I just thought it was strange and different and lots of colors, so why not, right? All right, what else comes with this? Does have a toolkit. We have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and just the number 21. Ooh, that's a lucky number, right? And before I get rid of this paper pattern, the product number is 6878. We have 6878 here. and 6/8, 7/8 up here. So that all matches. Very nice. And let me get it, all these beautiful, gorgeous colors out of the bag. All right, I am back. Can you ever? Oh my goodness. Blues, turquoises, seafoam greenish, reds, black, kind of a rustish color, rustish reds, oranges, bright, vivid colors, jewel tones as I call them. Just absolutely stunning, stunning colors. Now, I will probably have a stitch with me on this, so I will go through all the threads and make sure they're all there, and I will report that in that video. But just beautiful array of bright, bright colors. Look at those oranges, and there's purple. There's your 550 purple. Gorgeous. And there's that turquoise that I was telling you about. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I can't wait. Just yummy, yummy colors. I'm going to put it back in its bag. They'll be crinkling for a sec. That is a wad of colors. Let's take a look at the canvas. It's nice and smooth. I'll give it that much. Just looking. Let me unfold it here. It is kind of long, but it's not too terribly wide. It is serged all the way around, and a nice key running along here. Now you can see the stitching does go into the numbers, but it's such a thin, fine thread that you can still read the numbers, and your paper pattern will match your canvas, so that is a big help. But very well printed. It has that same information, 49 by 64, and it's 190 by 255 again. But very nicely done. Very easy to see. This is an 11 count, so nicely printed. I love it. It's nice, vivid colors. They're easy to find. I like that. I don't like them to be so palish. This is beautiful. Very beautiful. Let me see if I can measure this. It's kind of wide. Let's see here. We have actual outside is 25 inches or 63.5 centimeters by 49.5 centimeters or 19.5 inches wide. Actual picture size is, let me look, about 17.25 inches or 43.5 centimeters by, come on, we're trying, 57 centimeters or 22.5 inches. So very nice, very easy to do. There's no back stitching, no half, no quarter, no 3/4 stitches, no French knots. You can feel free to embellish it however you would like if you wanted to add anything to it. But I think it is gorgeous, and I have no idea where I want to start. None. None, none, none. But, I mean, every inch of it is like a different color, but it's not confetti. I mean, you have big areas, so you'd have all those beautiful colors just wherever you wanted to start. Might start at the top of the so-called castle. I guess it's not a castle. Is it a turret? What is that word, guys? Come on. The top of the, is it a cupola? I don't know. But I don't know if I'd start up here because it's got all those lovely turquoise colors, or start over here because it's got the lovely, what do you call it, 550 purple colors. I got nothing. Just absolutely stunning, guys. Good job, Diamond Art Decor. Good job. Thank you, Diamond Art Decor, for the lovely kit and the beautiful tool, which we're just going to keep right here. I have I have one of my lovely little saucer thingies. I don't know what it says or what even came in it, but it's glass. Yep, it's beautiful. But that's where I keep all my thimbles and needle threaders and extra little bits and bobs. Now, if they do have any kind of specials, if I have a discount code, all that's going in the beginning of the video and in the description below. Now, DiamondArtDecor, hang on. Now, what I was going to say, my throat was getting a little bit dry, is DiamondArtDecor used to be DIY shoes, and since that was such an inconvenience to the customers, they're going to give you an extra 8% off of your purchase, and there is like a buy 3 get 1 free type thing. It was in the beginning. You'll see all that. Then on top of all that, you do get an extra 8% or 10% off. I believe it's 10%. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. They have cross-stitch diamond painting and paint by numbers. They have tools and crafts for all of that. They have scrapbooking, quill art, wax stamps, and they do custom diamond paintings. And they always have great prices and a great selection for whatever it is that you're looking for. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.